Welcome back to Not Theoretical. I'm Lena.
And I'm KC.
So today we're tackling something that has confused and overwhelmed a lot of us. Crypto.
Yes. If you've ever nodded along in a conversation about blockchains or Bitcoin, secretly thinking, I should get this by now, you're not alone. I was definitely in that boat.
Same here, Casey. But what helped click things into place wasn't trying to get rich quick. It was understanding three big concepts. And they're not about price charts. They're about trust, purpose, and protection.
This is the episode to share with your smart but skeptical friend, your cousin who keeps asking if crypto's just a scam, or your coworker who's trying to untangle hype from reality. Let's start with what makes all this possible, the blockchain. Or as I've come to think of it, trust without a middleman.
I love that phrase. Normally, when we make important transactions, money, property, identity, we're relying on a centralized institution, a bank, a government, a tech platform.
And that works until it doesn't. Those systems can break, be hacked, or be used against us, but blockchain flips that model. Imagine this. Instead of trusting one ledger keeper, everyone in the system keeps the same copy of the ledger. All updates are public, permanent, and verified by math.
It's like a village where everyone keeps the same record book. If someone tries to fudge the numbers, the rest of the village sees the inconsistency. Trust isn't based on people. It's built into the system.
That's exactly what helped one small coffee business we read about. Instead of chasing excuses from freight companies, they could track every step of their shipment, farmer to truck to port to customs, because it was all recorded and locked in the chain.
And unlike your email threads or that Word doc with 8 different versions, this system is like a live Google Doc on steroids. Everyone sees the same version at the same time, and it can't be changed.
Okay, next big shift. Crypto isn't just Bitcoin. It's more like an entire digital bazaar of different tools. And if you don't know what you're holding, you can get burned.
Picture a glowing marketplace at dusk. One stall offers stablecoins, perfectly predictable, pegged to the dollar. Another has utility tokens, like keys to unlock access to a digital service. Further down, meme coins. Funny, risky, wild. Some are jokes. Some just become serious by accident. 3 friends at a cafe illustrate this perfectly. One sends money overseas with a stablecoin in 5 minutes, no bank fees. Another uses a token for decentralized cloud storage. And the third? He's got Dogecoin. For fun, for vibes, and fully aware it might go to zero.
The point is, not all coins are created equal. It's like using a sledgehammer to tighten a screw. It doesn't end well. If you treat them all the same, you're inviting costly mistakes.
So, before diving in, ask, what's this coin for? Is it a payment tool? A key to a service? A speculative bet? That alone can change your entire approach.
Our third piece, crypto is the Wild West, and you, my friend, are the sheriff.
In traditional finance, you've got safety nets. A stolen credit card? The bank helps. A hacked stock account? Insurance might cover it. But with crypto, if your assets vanish, they're gone.
Which makes this space a goldmine for scammers. Romance scams, phishing sites, fake investment platforms. One retiree almost got tricked by a woman promising guaranteed returns. It took his granddaughter to point out the red flags. It's called a pig butchering scam. They fatten you up with trust, then take everything.
In this world, it's on you to protect your assets. You need a secure wallet. Think of it like your expedition backpack. Your seed phrase? Guard it like treasure. And always, always use 2-factor authentication.
The mindset shift is real. You're not just a user, you're your own bank, your own IT security team, and your own scam detector.
So, Casey, let's tie this together. To navigate crypto, we need to flip 3 mental switches. Trusting code, not institutions. Think of coins as tools, not just tokens. And treat your own security like it's the final frontier. Because it is.
Crypto isn't just a new type of money, it's a new system. One that asks more of you, but can also give you more power if you're prepared. Want to see how this all connects visually? Head to the companion article on the Not Theoretical Substack.
You'll find more examples, do-it ideas, an infographic that maps it all out, and 3 powerful tools. A decentralization map worksheet. This helps you identify middlemen in everyday systems and reimagine how decentralized tools could replace them. It ties into the discussion around the engine of decentralization. The Crypto Coin Decoder chart, which is a printable comparison chart that categorizes coins into stable, utility, governance, and meme, with examples, risks, and use cases. This ties into the discussion around beyond Bitcoin. And the Digital Wallet Setup and Safety Checklist, which is a step-by-step guide to setting up a self-custody wallet, including 2-factor authentication setup, seed phrase storage, and scam red flag list. It ties into our discussion about surviving the Wild West. That's our discussion for today. Thanks for tuning in to Not Theoretical.
Until next time, trust the chain, know your coin, and protect your keys.